Tadiwata Frenyika, the second wife of President Emerson Mnangagwa's twin son, Collins, appeared in court on Wednesday, charged with unlawfully dealing in dangerous drugs. Sarabda Mashko Blank watching Mnangagwa's daughter-in-law in court after police drugs raid. Over subscriber got on the bill airgon. Tivina Unamu Blank Comchensi. Police raided a Greystone Park home and recovered pethidine, morphine, and cannabis from inside the house and a vehicle parked in the yard. The 22-year-old was remanded in custody to Thursday for a bail hearing after the National Prosecuting Authority indicated it would oppose a release pending trial. The NPA says detectives from the CID Drugs and Narcotics Unit acted on information received on August 4, alleging that Afrenyika was selling pethidine from her residence at the AGO. Police allege that when detectives entered her bedroom at around 8 p.m., they found her seated on a bed counting some ampoules, placing them on the bed. Investigators claim they immediately recovered 8 ampoules of Fresenius pethidine, 10 ampoules of Vepan pethidine, and 7 1 ml ampoules of Fresenius morphine sulfate from her before conducting a further research. The prosecution alleges officers subsequently recovered another 72 ampoules of Vepan pethidine, 64 Fresenius pethidine ampoules, and 43 ampoules of morphine sulfate from drawers in a bedroom. The recovered drugs were seized and as exhibits and are valued at $204 according to court documents. Prosecutors are opposing bail, arguing investigations are still underway. In an affidavit filed before the court, investigating officer Detective Sergeant N. Charuma said the police are yet to arrest the drug trafficker who supplied the accused with the dangerous drug. So if released on bail, this will jeopardize investigations. Toma developments are kuda pangwa ino. Anagoma section medu za fungura elimu tudipa msara pechitu page. So subscribe, like, share on the bell icon.